Right, the third element that we're looking at is this thing called owner's equity. Now, if you haven't studied accounting before, this is probably the one that seems a bit odd, the most one that seems odd, because you don't use it in normal day life. Well, you actually do. Let me explain the concept to you. Owner's equity is the owner's contribution to a business or the owner's share of a business. So, remember what we talked about with the accounting entity concept? I'm going to keep the owner separate from the business. Well, owner's equity is sort of the recording of what's come in from the owner and what goes back out to the owner. It's sort of like a little account, a little record of what's going on. So it's the owner's share of a business. Now that doesn't really make sense. So there's a bit of an equation which we'll go through, and here it is. So owner's equity is actually equal to the assets of a business minus the liabilities. So assets minus liabilities. Now this is one of these important equations in accounting. Owner's equity, assets minus liabilities. So I have this little example here. So example, if I have a house that's worth $500,000, I own that house, that is my asset, $500,000. But I didn't pay all of that money, okay? I needed a bank loan, a mortgage, to be able to buy it. And so the amount that I owe to the bank, well, that's $200,000. So the question on screen is, well, what would my equity of the house be? Or I could ask, what's my share of the house? Now, simple maths, owner's equity. It's $300,000. There you go. So this is the value of my house, $500,000. I still owe $200,000 to the bank. So my share of the business is $300,000. This is my equity, my share of the house. The same equation happens in accounting for businesses as well. So you've always got your assets minus your liabilities equals the owner's share of the business, OE. Right. Now, there's two transactions that we'll cover this year. There is more if you go further on in accounting, but there's two simple transactions that can affect owner's equity. The first is called capital. So capital is money that the owner contributes into or introduces into the business. Now, this is really common when you're starting up a business, starting up a new business. The owner takes his own cash, puts it into a business bank account. That's called capital. Okay, so great thing because it gets the business going. And basically the owner is loaning the money to the business. Now, the other part is called drawings. So drawings is when the owner takes money out of the business. So this is the opposite happening. So the owner goes, well, I think I'd like a holiday in Fiji. He looks at his own bank account. Ooh, I don't have enough money in mine. Hey, business bank account. I'll grab some of that. That is drawings. If they're using it for their own use, well, that is called drawings. So, money coming in to the business from the owner, capital. If the owner's taking it out, that's called drawings. And so, that is owner's equity. Again, a simple equation. Owner's equity is equal to assets minus liabilities. And the two items that you'll see for this year are capital, money coming in from the owner, drawings, money going out.